Hello viewers, this is Rajiv Bhumi and you are watching my channel Make Things Easy. If you see most of my videos, those are on technical ground. But today I am going to tell you a story. The story behind the PUBG game. And as usual, also I am going to tell you the technology behind the PUBG game. So let us start. Viewers, when we talk about video games, one question comes in our mind. What was the first video game in this world? Do you know it? Yes, the name of world's first video game was Pong, which was launched in 1958. After that, lots of video games were launched in this world. In 2017, PUBG game was launched. Within 1 year, if you see PUBG Corporation financials, it was quite appreciable. 2018 total revenue was 920 million US dollar and the profit was 310 million US dollar. In the top 10 mobile games worldwide, PUBG is the first one for which users have spent revenue more than 232 million US dollar in March 2020, which was more than 3 times than March 2019. From these figures, you can understand the popularity of this game. PlayerUnknown's Battleground is also called PUBG. It is a very popular game. Those who love video games, they know about this game. But those who do not know, I'll give a small overview of this game. This game was inspired by movies like Hunger Games and Battle Royale. Initially, in these games, 100 players are kidnapped and they need to survive in a Russian island. Players jumped through parachute from plane for their own survival. After landing, they need to collect weapons and start fighting to survive. One player need to kill other players. Ultimately, one player wins and as a award he gets chicken dinner. So this is a small description of the game. Now I'll tell you the story behind this game. Brendan Green is the designer of this game. He is from Ireland. But actually Brendan was not a game designer. He was a photographer. He married to his girlfriend and went to Brazil. But after 2 years divorce happened and he came back to Ireland again. Due to this divorce he was very much depressed. That time he started playing video game to spend time. He was liking to play Arma, which is a military based game, and he was also liking DayZ, which is also a mode of Arma only. Even though he was a photographer, but he knew little bit work of web designing and graphic designing. With that experience, he improved DayZ game with a mode named as Battle Royale. People liked it very much. By seeing the success and popularity, Sony Online Entertainment Company, now Daybreak, offered him a job. They wanted to make a game like Battle Royale because they were also inspired by DayZ. Then Brendan and Daybreak together made a game called H1Z1 King of the Kill. This was also a good success. That time, one South Korean game designer, Chang Han Kim, who had his gaming company Ginno Games, now Blowholes, called Brendan to South Korea to work with him. They decided to make one game with 1 year, which will be very cheap. People had never seen before. Initially they started with 35 people, afterwards it became 70. Ultimately in March 2017 early access beta was launched of this game named as PUBG. After that further improvements were done in that game and full version was launched in December 2017. Again in February 2018 PUBG was launched in Android and iOS platform. So this is the story of PUBG game. Within a few times, PUBG became the #1 video game of the world. It defeated big games like Dota 2, League of the Legends, and Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, etc. Brendan never thought that big companies like Facebook, Tencent, Epic Games will invest their money in his game. Now this game is so popular that it is played in ESL, that is Electronic Sports League, in which $1 million are spent in championship tournaments. It has got so many titles like Best Seller Game, Best Multiplayer Game, Esports Game of the Year, Trending Game of the Year, PC Game of the Year, Action Game of the Year, etc. As I told you in the beginning of this game, that I'll also tell you the technologies behind the PUBG games. So it is here. First is Unreal Engine 4. Epic Games has used Unreal Engine 4 platform with the characteristics of enormous portability and realistic graphics instruments. Second is Java. PUBG is a cross-platform game, so Java was very much needed. Third is Python. PUBG's core is being created in Python. Python is also assisted PUBG to make more hack-proof. Fourth is Perl 6. Perl 6 is used to create the PUBG as it is a strong dynamic language with advantages for powerful object orientations, chained comparison, and strong competition support, etc. Fifth is JavaScript. JavaScript is an action-oriented language that supports various additional features for PUBG Android games. Others minor use of multiple programming languages are C hash, PHP, MySQL, etc. Now I'll tell you platform wise various languages used in PUBG. Platforms are Android, iOS, Microsoft Windows, Xbox One and PlayStation 4. For Android, Java is the programming language, and as a web interface, JavaScript is used. For iOS, C is the programming language. For Microsoft Windows via Teams for the beta program is used. For Xbox One, Microsoft Studios via Xbox Game Preview, C hash is the programming language which is mostly used. For PlayStation 4, C++ is the programming language which is mostly used. Now I'll talk about the criticism of this game. Brendan Greene made this game for our entertainment, but now it has become an addiction for some people. Murders, divorces, breakups are happening due to the addiction of this game. Some young professionals are not able to focus on their job due to this game. In China, a 13 years old boy jumped from building roof just to see what is the feeling of jumping from height like this game. In India, Delhi, a boy killed his family due to this game. Students are not studying full night, they are playing this game. Behavioral changes are happening due to this game because every time killing psychology is there in players' mind. Due to this addiction, some countries are thinking of banning PUBG. So viewers, video game is just made for our entertainment and time pass only. It should not become an addiction. We should restrict ourselves up to entertainment only, not to allow as addiction. So viewers, I hope you have liked this video. Now you have got a fair idea about PUBG game. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like this video, share this video, and if you want to comment something, please leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you once again for watching this video.